Second, red flower. Third, and fourth, fifth. I don't know what they're going to do in fifth one, but I'm gonna start it here. What I'm gonna drawing first. What am I going to drawing, guys? Because I know notes want to drawing me, but because I was so stressed today, I'm gonna draw it. I'm gonna drawing. Ano ba? Sa akong ego ang gamiton para sa painting. Kani ba or kani? It's brown. Anong color ng brown, guys, dito? Otro. Asan ang kolorin ko ngayon? Dapat maanuhan ko na para madali ang pagkuha ng color. Asa akong gamiton ani karon? Violet. We don't tell now, ain't like to die. Violet, unsa akong color? What is color of violet? Violet. Marag alam ko ng violet. Violet and isa pa man. Asa akong koloron ani? Dali ako. Asa akong koloron ani? Dili. Asa akong koloron ani? Negin. Asa akong koloron ani? Pink, violet, and pink. Let's start. One, two, three. Translation time. 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys, alam ko na anong drawing ko, guys. Yay! I know na. Just wait a minute. Very halagay na. And so, in the final. Nakalimutan niya ang kanta. Lalahiin na lang niya. Kung jirig, wala pa ding kasad. Tanitungog kalit. Pulong kalit pa sa sigma. Ano ang pangalan nito? Ang pangalan nito ay ang pangalan niya ay, alam niyo kung mali, hindi niyo makikita. That's so easy. Thank you for watching. This is all I can do. So sorry. Next ko na lang yung doll. Thank you. Bye. This is the perfect click. And this is the Squid Game friendly guards. So that's dun 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 dun.